girls, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we're going to be having a beach day. So anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful day or a wonderful night. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Now I'm just going to put my sandals on and this cute hat. Okay, I'm also going to pack my beach bag with some sunscreen and my Stanley. I'm so excited to go to this beach because we've been there before, but they added some new volleyball nets, and I really love volleyball with my friends, so hopefully it's fun. After Olive took my swimsuit, I needed a new one anyway, so I just got this cute purple one, and I love it. I can't wait to go to the beach. I'm gonna see if Taylor's ready. Yay, Taylor, you're ready. Now we can go to the beach really fast. Okay, kids, let's go to the beach. Okay, everybody, make sure to get some sunscreen on, and then we can have some fun. Okay, good, because I don't want to end up like Jaden when we were in Jamaica. Oh, come on. It's not my fault I didn't put on sunscreen. Nobody told me. Jaden, I told you 5 times to put on that sunscreen. Okay, fine. There's a frozen yogurt shop over there if you didn't already know. So, if I were you, I would go get some before they close. Okay, I'll go get some. I want ice cream too. Okay, coming right up. Yay, this will make me stronger. Okay, I'm so sorry, kids, but it's time to go home. No, I don't want to go home. No, Mommy! I like this beach. I want to play volleyball. Alex, you're supposed to be on my side. We have to go home. I have some things to do. Oh, come on. Let the kids play volleyball. Yay! Okay, here's the rules. It's 2v2. First one to 3 wins. Okay, we got this. Ready, set, go! We're gonna win. No, you're not. Yeah, we are. We at least have to beat them. We have to beat Jaden. Oh my, this is going pretty fast. I hope we can do this. No!
Yes, I knew we would win.
Okay, Mallory, it looks like your school volleyball playing is actually paying off.
Yeah, but Mom said I can't be in volleyball because I'm too short.
Oh, I didn't say that.
Yes you did. Let's just play. It's your serve.
Yay! Well, guys, technically we won. Okay, I didn't think this through. I thought I was better at volleyball. I mean, I guess we both have only played like 2 times. Mom, don't tell Mallory that. I wanted her to think that I played a lot of times. You haven't. Mom!
Okay, this is the last game. Whoever wins this one gets the prize, even though we already won. Hurry up and stop yapping. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, we're doing good. We have to do this. Loser buys the winner ice cream. What? I don't have any money for that. Come on.
Yay!
Man, I already spent my money on ice cream today.
Okay, fine, since you're the best brother ever, you can get us ice cream tomorrow.
Whatever. Let's just go home now.
And the winner is Mallory! I wanted Jaden to win. But I wanted Mallory and Dad to win. No, Jaden and Mom. Mallory and Dad. Jaden and Mom. Mallory and Dad. Mallory, Jaden, Mallory, Jaden, Mallory, Jaden, Mallory, Jaden.